Buy Belka. Level up your life. Bring out Belka from the bag easily and put it in a container big enough to be mixed with water. Add water and mix the powder and water together until you get a paste. Belka is clean, it's completely natural and it's environment friendly. It doesn't smell, it doesn't fall on the ground and it doesn't absorb dust. Now, just apply it on the wall and rub it with Belka trowel and make a plain wall to your ideal designed wall. Belka colors can be mixed together and bring unlimited colors to suit your interior design and make your ideal, unique, gorgeous favorite design. The most enjoyable pleasure is staying at your beautiful, lovely home for real comfort. Belka is unique, smart, beautiful, stylish, natural, eco-friendly, and made with the most advanced technology. Easy to install, easy to remove. Applicable on any surface. No need for substructures. High physical resistant, humidity resistant, 100% natural material. More than 60 colors. Acoustic installation. Self-healing. Odor-free. Heat and cold insulation. No cracks, no seams. Light scattering. Flame safe. High speed of installation. And these are just a few features of Belka. Let your imagination of your ideal life come true on your walls. Belka is the new generation of interior wall finishes, the best alternative to paint and wallpaper.